This is a disclaimer before this video begins. I am not a nutritionist, neither am I a doctor, neither am I a professional about kids or baby nutrition. This is just solely based on my experience. Hello Dana fam, what's up and what's going on with you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Deni Aloha and I'm a Nigerian mommy YouTuber based in Ogun State, Nigeria. Now for this channel it is hot. Okay, thank you for dropping by. I don't really know how to do this intro kind of thing. I'm talking about, oh, my eyebrows are, I think my eyebrows are pink today. I like my lipstick. I am bad with those kind of introductions, so because of that I'm just going to jump right into the video. Why you clicked on this video? Okay, yes, the day we want to chit chat, we chit chat. So if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe if you like this video. In today's video I will be sharing with you some tips on how to make your toddler eat adult food. Yes, I think I just heard a mom somewhere saying hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh my goodness, if you don't have a toddler that is a picky eater or selects food, Lord has been very graceful to you, because it's a struggle. Those moms who have toddlers that don't like food, yes, there are toddlers like that don't like food. The only thing they like is sweet snacks and all of that. They don't like eating food. It's always a problem. It's always a worry for us moms. Like, you are just constantly worrying, how are you not doing well? Are you a bad mom? sorry to laugh, but you are not a bad mom. Okay, some children are just like that. Some children just don't want to eat. They don't just like food. Okay, and that's what this video is for. So firstly, let me just give you a background story of Amoria. So when Amoria was 6 months old, I stopped exclusive breastfeeding. I was so excited that my baby is going to start eating solid food. I went ahead and bought different type of baby cereals, okay, Cerelac, Nutribomb, name it, so many. This girl just, did me dirty. She did not eat any of this baby food. We were like, okay, it's because it's new to her, just give her time, she's going to adjust. I kept giving her time. 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 11 months. This girl does not like eating. At some point I even stopped. Around I think 8 months I stopped trying to give her. I just stick to breast. I was just giving her only breast, because I was like, okay, I have wasted my money enough, and you see me giving you food, it looks like a fight, so I just don't want to force feed you or anything like that. I stopped. But I noticed that she was becoming smaller and smaller, and then she fell sick. Oh my god, she fell sick and she was looking like a broomstick. At that point, my husband and I went on our knees and started praying. Yes, it might look very, very small. Why are you praying because of that kind of a thing? That's the kind of person I am. When I am worried about even the tiniest bit of things, I'm like, okay, why do I have this, or why is this going on with me? No matter how flimsy it is, I pray. It calms me down. I prayed, I fasted. I was like, God, please help me, show me what to do with this girl. I don't know why she doesn't want to eat. Why does she not want to eat? When she did her 1-year-old birthday, it just entered into my heart to just stop breastfeeding. I was like, okay, but if I stop breastfeeding, this girl is not eating. Will she not? What is going to happen? I was like, I'm just going to forget it and stop breastfeeding her. And I stopped breastfeeding her. The 3rd day after I stopped breastfeeding, this girl started taking solid food, just like that. Like, she just started eating without struggling and all of that. Hallelujah, it was a miracle. When that struggle was done with, then we entered into the adult food stage. When she was about 1 year and 6 months, she does not like eating anything, only the baby cereals, morning, afternoon, night, morning, afternoon, night. If you give her any food, she will not take it. She will just play with it and throw it away. That was another struggle again. I had to pray again about that. But now she's eating anything. Everything I eat, she eats. Everything we are eating in the household as a family, that's what she eats. Okay, even if she wants to take her cereals, it's like maybe once in a day, or maybe once in 2 days, or on a day that I am confused, I don't know what to give her, I just give her the cereals. So yes, these are the tips that helped me. The first tip here is, when you are eating, serve them also. Okay, get a plate. It can be one of their favorite cartoon characters. Get them plates and spoon that are colorful, and give them food. No matter how small it is, just serve a little on their plates and put it in front of them. Yes, 99% of the time they are going to just play with the food and waste it, but you just have to put small for them, so that when you are eating, kids tend to copy whatever you are doing, so they will copy you and they want to eat too. Then the second one is distraction. Yes, distraction, like their favorite cartoon, their favorite songs, sing for them, play with them. Most times some kids get distracted with that and they might not even be aware when they will finish the food. Put something that will distract them so that they won't know when the food is finished. So the next tip here is incorporate their favorite fruit into their food. Daughter now likes watermelon, bananas. Whenever I'm giving her food, I make sure that watermelon and bananas, or either one of them, is around. Because of my location, I can't get bananas the way I can get watermelon, so most times watermelons, and it really encourages her to eat. She might take 1 spoon of the rice and take 1 bite of watermelon. Like that, it makes it a little bit fun to eat. That works too. The next tip here is be patient. Okay, it can get very frustrating when you have a toddler that does not want to eat. It can get very frustrating, yes. Even some don't even want to even eat their baby cereals. Some days it's always war and fight. With Amovia, it was like that. It's not easy. So some days it's easier, some days it's a battle, but just be patient. You are not a bad mother, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just the way some kids are. Be patient with them and be patient with yourself. Motherhood itself is a journey of patience, so you have to be patient, okay? See me, oh, me, that I'm like the most impatient person I know. I am now the mother of patience, okay? It will teach you. You don't have a choice. Motherhood will teach you patience. So the last one here I would like to say is, do not stop them their baby food immediately. So don't just, because okay they are not eating, I think I should stop the food. Don't do that, okay? The best babies or the best children are always well-fed children. If they want to eat their cereals 3 times in a day, give them their baby cereals 3 times in a day. That's their baby food. These steps that I'm saying helps me. I incorporated them little by little. You can start small. It does not just mean you have to start once like that. Take your time and do it one day at a time. It took me like about 3 months or more before these things finally worked, and my baby is at that point where she's eating all adult food. So be patient with them. Do not withhold their baby cereals once like that. Don't do that, okay? Continue giving them their baby food until they are able to finally eat adult food 100%. I would like to add snacks. Snacks are also important. When you want to give your babies food, don't make snacks as, how will I say it now? Don't make snacks as a reward for them eating their food. If you make it a reward, you will see that it's not going to yield the kind of results that you want. If it's time to give them their snacks, give them snacks. It should not be because, okay, you've eaten your food today, yay, now I'm going to give you a snack. I don't know about other people, but to me it doesn't work that way. So give them snack when it's time to give them snack. This is me asking, I say, Mom, what tips helped your toddler to start eating adult food? You can drop it in the comment section. You have more tips to encourage your toddlers to eat. How did you make that your toddler that does not like food begin to like food? Please drop the comments in the comment section and I'll be so glad to read them, and I'm very sure it will be helpful to other mothers that are in this situation. Your comments will be very much appreciated. So that's the end of today's video. Do well to subscribe if you're yet to do so. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.